Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Fantom. There's a number of on-chain indicators suggesting that Fantom could be a good buy this week, and we're going to talk about that in this video. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So we're seeing Fantom sitting just under the 40-cent range, up about 20% in the last 7 days. So it's definitely having a great week. Still down on the month, but it is slowly climbing. You guys probably can't see that, can you? Yeah. It is slowly climbing back up, almost to the 40-cent range. So let's jump into why this could be a good buy. And there's 3 key reasons why Fantom could be a good pick for the week. Fantom price has been gaining traction. The bulls have initiated a recovery. Investor sentiment seems to improve as open interest data indicated an inflow. Transaction volumes also improved, indicating a heightened demand and increased user engagement. The long-term trend still lies on the bearish side, but adding a risk of price rejection at higher levels. So we could see, some good price action in the short term, but long term is still looking a bit bearish unless things change on that end. On the first week of August, we saw open interest contracts drop to $47 million. The monitors, so the open interest contract monitors the number of open positions in a specific crypto contract, just so you guys know what that entails there. Sentiment, as shown, the number of open contracts saw an impressive 50% growth in a week. Open interest data surged from 50 million to about 75 million, which is a massive growth. Transaction volumes grown from 50 million to about 200 million in just a week. So things are kind of heating up here for Fantom, and it could be one, to have a good pick potentially for a short-term swing trade, or something along those lines. Just kind of depends on your trading style, right? The long-term trend outlook does favor a bearish side as the price lags 45% below the 200-day EMA. So as of right now, the Fantom price has surpassed the 20-day EMA, suggesting bullish outlook in the short term. The daily chart has highlighted the formation of a falling wedge pattern, with the price currently established near the higher boundary. Conversely, if the price resumes its recovery above the 39-cent level, it may rise towards 45. So we could be looking at 45 cents, maybe even pushing the 50 cents, in my opinion. I think 50 cents, though, would be a psychological barrier. So, we might see a little bit struggle at that point, but the 45-cent range is looking fairly decent. The price fails to initiate a breakout of the falling wedge pattern and suffers a rejection from the higher levels, then we would see it slide most likely towards the lower boundary of the wedge at about the 29-cent level. So there's that risk there as well, because you just never know. You kind of have to, when you're doing technical analysis or you're determining a trade, you have to kind of also take in the good with the bad as well. Because if it goes up, this is the levels we're looking at, but they always mention when you're going down the support levels as well. But anytime you're doing any kind of swing trading or anything like that, make sure you're using stop loss, because that'll help minimize any losses that could occur if the price does decide to go basically south on you, and it just minimizes your losses. So that's what I always like to do anytime especially if I'm leverage trading, and I do so on Margex a little bit as well. I do have a link in the description down below for Margex there. It's a really great platform, and a lot of times when I'm doing any kind of leverage trading, I'm always using a fairly tight stop loss, just because, right, you just want to minimize your losses, right? You don't want to open up your app later on and be like, oh crap, I just got liquidated or whatever, and it's just not a good feeling. So I always make sure that I put a price target for take profit, and I also put in a stop loss just in case, just to kind of safeguard my assets. And so that's what I got for you guys in this video. Fantom could be a good buy this week. We'll keep tabs on it for you guys, and hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.